Hey, it's your girl Lolanda from the Epicurean and the Herbalist, and also the Herbal Triage, our online store. You know, I was sitting here today and thinking, after I made all this wonderful juice, this is my emerald green, and I was thinking to myself, I got some news from my doctor, and I hadn't been in a couple of years, right before COVID, and my cholesterol level was like, not good, I would say. Hey, I've been an herbalist for over 35 years, always helping out, doing whatever I can for myself, family, the community, but this is a PSA for you today. You know what? You've heard that saying, when you know to do better, you do it and you start doing more things. But I want to tell you, the saying that they tell us that you know better, you do better, that's not enough. You got to actually get up and do more. You just can't just do a little bit. You got to do a lot more. You got to beat the odds, baby. And I'm telling you that you got to turn things around. You got to shake things up. So I'm starting my day with what I know to do, but sometimes we get caught up in just thinking that we need to just survive. It's time to flourish. Flourish with me. Drinking green juice every day is going to bring down your cholesterol. It's going to give you energy. You know, we always talk about all these detox diets. There's nothing better than fresh vegetables from the garden. So what can I say, everybody, other than when you know better, you do better. It's time to do better today, don't you think? Take a tip from me. Let's do better. Cheers. Here's to you.